If you want to take care of yourself and you started to take care of yourself actually, in the long run, you're also taking care of others. Yun yung paniniwala ko. I am Catalino. I am an educator and a pianist. Isa sa reason kung bakit ako pumasok na seminaryo is because I want to discover more about myself. Nagkaroon ako ng open-mindedness sa lahat ng bagay. Mas nakilala ko sarili ko doon. I started smoking hindi dahil sa gusto kong mag-smoke. Ang gusto ko, magkaroon ng kaibigan. Naka-apekto siya sa music teacher. Yes, definitely. It affects me. If you're hooked into something like smoking and you are on a job that is bound by a schedule, it would be very difficult for you to stay on that schedule without taking a smoke break. You need also to understand yourself. Kung paanong ginagawa mo sa ibang tao yun na inuunawa mo kung paano sila mag-operate. Ganon din naman ginagawa ko sa akin. Sabi nga ni Socrates, di ba? Know thyself. Only with knowing yourself, you can operate actually the fullest of what you can be. That's the reason kung bakit hindi ako makapag-cold turkey. Ang pinaka-effective sa akin yung gradual tatanggalin mo, unti-unti. Hanggang sa kaya ko na. Very fragile ang human will. Pero if there is help coming from the divine, from above, anything kaya mong gawin, lalo pa yung mag-unsmoke. What is important is that, number 1, you have persistence. Number 2, have faith. Number 3, just do it.